We've been living on our boat for about 5 years, and so we're always conserving our resources. And this Hamilton Beach rice and slow cooker helps us conserve our propane. We have solar panels, so this uses the energy right from our solar panels. We've had it for a couple of years, and I have made everything in it. And when I say everything, I mean everything. I'll show you in a second. But first, it's very easy to use. You just turn it on and there's a selection of buttons you can choose to depending on what you're cooking. These are some of the items we've made in it. We make lots of soups. We've made butternut squash soup, ranch stew, white bean and kale soup, split pea soup, rice, homemade tortillas, pasta sauce, oatmeal, ginger tea, scrambled eggs, fresh fruit juice, even a chocolate cake, braised stew meat, and chicken. It comes with the deep pot, instructions, and a steamer basket that you can steam your vegetables right on the top as you're cooking a meat underneath. A little spoon and a measuring cup. As I said, we've had it for a couple of years and it is still working strong. We use it constantly and we've still, in about 9 months, not even used up all of our 1 gallon of propane in our propane tank. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.